Holy cow! The environmental damage is extremely bad. But why did this happen?
Hey bro, why you look so serious? What are you looking in?
Bro, you should look at this. I mean, it's crazy, man.
Yeah, that's so bad. But where this happen and how this could happen?
So, based on some video that I watched, it's an environmental damage that happened at Halmahera, North Maluku.
That hand the industrial mining area of PT Indonesia Wedabai Industrial Park and also surrounding by the nickel mines that serve as the main suppliers of nickel for the global electric vehicle market and comprise some of the world's largest open pit nickel mining operation, and they has been found to trigger large-scale ecosystem destruction, water and air pollution, as well as significant greenhouse gas emission resulting from nickel downstream processing and the operation of the
Morning, what you doing, guys?
This, you also so watch this video. How crazy this environmental damage happened?
That's crazy. Is it an environmental damage at Halmahera Natal?
Yes, you know?
Yes, I've heard a lot of things about that because it's such a big problem. Because rivers such as Raja River are now contaminated. And one more laboratory test conducted by AER, Jatam, and Nexus 3 found high concentration of nickel and hexavalent chromium, toxic substance that can damage human organs and harm the environment. And this is contrary to the government SDGs number 6, which one is about clean water and sanitation. Hi, what happened, guys? Spill the tea, please.
What's this?
I guess this is a really hot thing.
Wow, this is really serious thing.
Nickel mining, making the environment at such a big damage.
I know about this problem at Halmahera, right?
One fact shocking me is CRI revealed that the construction of jetties, deforestation, and mining waste have had direct impacts on the lives of local communities and indigenous peoples. So basically, this is contrary to the government's SDGs point number 15, which is about life on land. They're not cut such a good place for living though.
Hi guys, morning. I'm also late, but what are guys discussing?
Look at this video.
This damage could be worse, but at least still doesn't care about this problem. And I guess not a lot of people know about this, and it just makes me sad that the environmental damage can causes a bad impact for the people that living there, make a big trouble such as natural disaster.
The water is really dangerous, right? Even it can be used for daily activities, I think.
That also one of the disadvantages for humans.
They are always prioritizing their ego, right? Without considering the side effect. It could be worse for their life, causing a lot of natural disaster.
Not just a human, but animals and plants also got the damage.
Did you know, guys, there is some students from environmental engineering talk about their opinion about this problem, and they are even talk about the SDGs.
Really? Who has the video?
I think I have that video. Wait a minute. Here's a video.
What do you think about nickel mining in Halmahera?
In my opinion, the nickel management in Halmahera is like two sides effect. In one side is economic boost for the nation with heliosasi and other programs. But in my view as environmental engineer, there's an environmental crisis. We see that a massive deforestation, habitat destruction, and severe marine pollution. So an uncontrolled nickel mining, in my opinion, is sacrificing the small island and its inhabitants in the island, also making a catastrophic affecting both the nature and the local communities.
How do you assess the impact of nickel mining activities on the assessment of SDGs number 6, particularly regarding access to clean water and proper sanitation in Halmahera?
Okay, in my opinion, the mining activity is severely compromising the water quality, and it creates a barrier to clean water access for the local communities in the surrounding mining sites. Because the mining operation causes massive erosion that generates toxic red sludge, and the nickel smelter in the industrial park also makes hard discharge hot and contaminate effluent into the sea, which makes the fish and the local fishing zone unusable, which makes a socio-economic crisis.
Ingin Halmahera? Oke, I think untuk tambang nikel di Halmahera itu sebenarnya dia keuntungannya ada juga karena dia berhubungan dengan ekonomi juga. Dia bisa menghasilkan ekonomi dengan menjual energi yaitu baterai untuk kendaraan listrik. Tapi environmentally speaking itu terutama penambangan yang open pit itu dia pasti akan menurunkan adanya fungsi ekologis sama hidrologis gitu.
Okay. Does nickel mining affect the achievement of SDG 15 on the preservation of terrestrial ecosystem, particularly in terms of land degradation?
Okay, so of course, especially SDGs number 15 itu tuh tentang life online ya. Nah itu tuh actually aligns with my thesis ya. Thesis aku tuh tentang perubahan tutupan lahan dan perubahan tutupan lahan tentang apapun itu pasti dia akan merubah adanya fungsi degradasi juga secara hidrologis, ekologis dan lain-lain. Terutama apalagi pertambangan maupun dia skalanya kecil atau besar itu dia pasti akan mengubah lebih banyak erosi, lebih sedimentasi dan ya. The explanation is easy to understand, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's also taught us that we should more aware to environmental damage.
And it's also evolution for the government, right? I think the government should establish meaning-free zone in protect forests, water catchment, and indigenous lands to safeguard the environment, while also developing tourism, agriculture, creative industries, and renewable energy as sustainable alternative source of income, right?